All right, guys, we are moving on to step 2 of my wash day. I am going to apply the K18 mask right now, and this is basically how much I use for this entire section. First, you have to emulsify the product on your hands. You want it to look like this. Now I'm splitting the section and making sure the entire section gets the product. So I use more than what K18 tells you to use. I go according to my texture and what my hair needs. I am not going according to a general system. And after this, all I do now is bend to knot it back up. I'm not going to show you more than this. This is all I do for my entire head now. My hair feels nice, it feels moisturized, so I'm going to complete it and go on to the next step and show you that as well. So it's time to move on to the blow dry stage or section of my wash day. It usually takes me 5 to 6 hours to do my wash, and that's why I only prefer to do it every 3 months, once every 3 months. That suits my schedule. I do not have to think about, oh my gosh, the time it takes to do my hair. And yes, can I do my hair in a shorter time period? Absolutely, but that means I would have to use a higher heat temperature, especially for the blow dry stage of my process or of my wash day. So for my hair length, it takes about 1.5 to 2 hours for blow drying, because I blow dry on warm air, not on hot air, not hot heat, nothing like that. I've been doing it like this for the past 4 years now. So let's start this blow dry. I should have probably taken one out already. So now I just untie or untangle this. And I don't over detangle my hair, and so I detangled my hair in the shower, right? Usually I detangle it when I put on the mask, but due to circumstances I had to do it differently today. And my ends are a little dry, and my hair loves water, so I give it that. I never let it be too dry. Okay, so there it is. I think that's enough. First, I'm going to use Redken's Big Blowout Jelly. I've also used this product since 2019 actually, and it works very well for blow dry. And that's a lot, but that's also a big section. I want to put it over your hair, but always split your hair so that all the strands are coated as much as you can. Okay. Let's see how detangled my hair is. There's knots, I can feel it. And that's because of not being able to blow dry my hair while I had to wash out the Vaseline. But it's not bad. And you know what I want to try actually is put a bit of avocado oil over my hair. So just a drop of avocado oil. 2 drops, because I have to do it in between as well. I believe in that. And my blow dryer brush is from Babyliss. So I use the base from Babyliss, but I use the head from the Knot Doctor. Similar to my wet brush, I have this wet brush also from the Knot Doctor, and I've had both actually since 2019. I love the products from the Knot Doctor. I also have their comb, Conair. They buy Conair, right? And it is very easy to brush through your hair with these products or with these tools. Now I'm going to put this on warm air. And that's how I do it. Very easy. Every stage in your routine counts so much. Do not rush through it. I have fairy knots. I can feel it here. And thank God these days is just towards the end of my strands. You will see how long my hair really is once I flat iron it. And yeah, everything that I do from the K18 mask to this is so important for blow dry because it helps protect your hair against the heat. Even though my dryer is on warm air, still I stick to my routine and I stick to the products. You saw how easy it was for me to brush through my hair. That's what I'm going to do with all my hair. I will come back to you when I'm done with my blow dry. And believe me, each section is that easy. It takes long for my hair to dry though. So that's time consuming, and that's why blow dry is the longest. I prefer protecting my hair against the heat and not use high heat on my hair. I'll come to you when we flat iron.